You asked about, do you need to water after you plant stuff? So you're investing now, hundreds of dollars. So if it's cool and rainy, no, water really well right after you plant, even in the hole, until it like stops draining really fast if it's dry. Then you pack a little compost, compost around the top, mulch to suppress the weeds, and then you keep your eye on it. If it's really hot or dry, you have to water. You probably have to water every day until it gets established. Again, if it's cool and rainy, don't worry about it. How do you know if it's okay? You put your finger in there. Is it dry to the touch? More water. Okay. If it's kind of moist, leave it alone. If it's soggy, stop watering. It's too much. You're drowning it. But that's rarely the issue. It's mostly that people underwater. They'll plant it and they'll be like, great, bye. Even if you have an irrigation system. No, if something's newly planted, you have to water, especially if it's hot. Okay?
Got it. Great.